So this is problem 5 at 6 from set A exam 1. So my angle is given in 80 degrees and I have to calculate it in radian. Let's say this is equal to x radian. I can set up a proportion as follows. I can say x over 80 degrees must equal, I know the relationship between pi and 180, okay? Pi over 180. Why can I say that? How can I say that? Well, x is in radian, 180 is in radian. I take it back, x is in radian, 80 is in degree, pi is in radian, 180 is in degree, pi is equal to 180, and x must be equal to 80. And from this, I have to solve for x, which is very easy. Divide both sides by 80. And actually, I don't need the degree symbol here anymore. So this is good enough. I have to multiply both sides by 80. How do I do that? Very easy. You write 80 here. And when you multiply the left-hand side by 80, you only have x. And this, you can cancel the zeros. You're going to get pi over 18 and 8. Well, you can do even better. All right. You can divide both top and bottom by 2. If you divide the top by 2, you're going to get 4. Dividing the bottom by 2, you're going to get 9. And that's 4. That's something you have to use later. So basically, 80 degrees is 4/9 of pi. That's even sounds reasonable, right? It's about half of pi. That's what you expect. I don't need this. I'm going to hide this. And I'm going to say this is the angle in radian. Angle in radian. And you do need this. Okay, you want to keep this. The fact that it's 80 degrees is kind of not necessary anymore. Remember the formula for S? This is the formula. How do you find S? S is R theta. Theta must be in radian. R happens to be 5. Enter 5. And the theta value has to be 4/9 of pi. And there's not a whole lot of cancellation you can do. 4 times 5, and you can put a multiplication sign if you want. This is not x, this is the multiplication sign. And you can multiply 4 by 5, you're going to get 20 pi. And you divide that by 9. And that's your answer. You don't need a calculator. You should put your unit, which is centimeters. You have your S. How bad was that? Let's try the next one. The formula for A is equal to half R square theta. You have everything you need. Half is half. R square is 5 squared. And what is theta? 4 pi over 9. I'm going to write 4 pi over 9. You hardly need a calculator. Okay, you can cancel these two. You're going to get a 2, right? And 5 squared is 25. 25 times 2 is 50. So I'm going to write here 50 pi over 9. Done. That's your answer. Square centimeter. Okay, so I'm going to get rid of this. And your answers are this. and this. Once again, this angle has to be in radian. And you have to learn how to convert it by setting up a proportion.